Welcome to Le Podcast de Philippe.
Yeah.
We'll be taking a deep dive into the world of AI, exploring a French startup called Neuralk-AI and their work with structured data.
Yeah, structured data. It's kind of the unsung hero of the data world, isn't it?
It is. And Neuralk-AI is finding ways to use it in innovative applications.
Think spreadsheets, databases, all that information that businesses have.
Right, and Neuralk is developing some pretty specialized AI models to unlock the insights buried in all of that data.
That's exactly it. They're taking on a challenge that traditional AI has really struggled with.
So let's get into it. What exactly makes Neuralk-AI's approach so unique? They talk about specialized AI models for structured data. Can you break that down for us?
Well, you see, traditional AI is really good at things like images and text, the kind of stuff we see all the time.
Right, facial recognition, chatbots, all of that.
Exactly. But when it comes to structured data, like rows and columns in a database, traditional AI models have a tough time.
So it's not just about using any AI, it's about using the right AI for the job.
Absolutely. Neuralk-AI has recognized this gap and has developed models that are specifically designed to excel with this type of data.
Makes sense. So instead of trying to force a square peg into a round hole, they're building the right tool for the task.
Precisely. And they're doing some really interesting things with these specialized models.
I was looking at their website, and they mention advanced techniques like graph neural networks and transformers for tabular data. Sounds pretty technical.
It is, but at its core, it's about leveraging the power of some cutting-edge AI techniques
Yeah.
and adapting them for structured data.
You know, the ideas behind models like GPT-4, but applied in a different way.
Yeah, you got it. And the results are impressive.
So how does this actually play out in a real-world scenario? Can you give us an example?
Sure, let's take a look at one of their clients, E.Leclerc. They're a major retailer.
Yeah, I'm familiar with them.
They have a huge amount of data, right?
Yep.
Customer purchases, inventory, pricing, all of that. Now imagine trying to extract insights from that manually. It'd be overwhelming.
You'd be drowning in spreadsheets.
Exactly. But Neuralk-AI's models can actually connect the dots within that data, identifying patterns and relationships that humans would likely miss.
So they're helping E.Leclerc make smarter decisions based on their own data.
Precisely. For example, they could optimize product placement in stores, personalize recommendations to customers, and even forecast demand more accurately.
And that all leads to a more efficient and profitable business.
Exactly. And happier customers too, likely.
This all sounds very impressive, but honestly, I still find these graph neural networks a little hard to wrap my head around. Can you break it down a bit further?
Okay, imagine a graph, like a network of connected dots. Each dot represents something, maybe a product, a customer, or even a store location in E.Leclerc's case.
Okay, I can picture that.
Now, a graph neural network can analyze the connections between those dots. So it can see how the purchase of one product, for example, might influence the likelihood of buying another.
So they can see the ripple effects within the data.
That's it. And that information can be used to create more effective strategies. For example, E.Leclerc could use this to bundle products together for promotions or suggest complementary items during checkout.
It's like they're uncovering the hidden relationships within the data.
Exactly. And it's allowing businesses to operate in a much more informed and strategic way.
So we're seeing how Neuralk-AI is using this technology to revolutionize retail.
Yeah.
But is this technology limited to just that one industry?
Not at all. While retail is a fantastic example, the potential applications of this technology are really vast.
Like what other industries could benefit from this?
Think finance, healthcare, logistics. Any industry that relies heavily on structured data could see major benefits.
So are we talking about things like fraud detection in finance, personalized treatment plans in healthcare?
Exactly. The possibilities are really quite exciting. Let me give you an example in finance.
Okay, I'm all ears.
Imagine a bank that wants to assess credit risk more accurately or detect fraudulent transactions. Neuralk-AI's models could analyze mountains of financial data and spot patterns that might indicate risk.
That could be transformative for the way banks operate.
It really could. And when you think about healthcare, the potential impact is even more profound.
I'm really intrigued. How would this work in a healthcare setting?
Well, these models could be used to analyze patient records, identify potential health issues earlier, and even help doctors make more accurate diagnoses.
That sounds like it could revolutionize patient care.
Absolutely, and those are just a couple of examples. I think we're just scratching the surface of what's possible with this technology.
That's incredible. So Neuralk-AI is basically giving businesses across different industries a powerful new tool to make better decisions.
That's a great way to put it. They're making data work harder for them.
And what's really impressive is that Neuralk-AI is doing all this while making these sophisticated AI tools accessible to businesses of all sizes.
That's right. It's not just for the tech giants anymore. This is a really important part of their mission to democratize access to this kind of powerful technology.
I'm really impressed by their commitment to making AI more accessible. It's not just about developing cutting-edge technology. It's about making sure everyone can benefit from it.
Exactly. And the fact that they've achieved so much in such a short time is remarkable.
I mean, they were founded just last year, right, in 2023.
That's right. And they've already made significant strides.
It must be attracting a lot of attention in the tech world.
Oh, absolutely. They recently secured $4 million in funding, and their investor list includes some very prominent figures in the AI world.
Like who?
Well, one notable investor is Thomas Wolfe, co-founder of Hugging Face, which is a leading platform for natural language processing.
That's a huge endorsement. It speaks volumes about the potential that people see in Neuralk-AI.
It really does. And they're based at Station F in Paris, which is a renowned hub for startups, so they're in the perfect environment to thrive.
It sounds like they have all the ingredients for success: a strong vision, cutting-edge technology, and the right support system.
And let's not forget, their founders, Antoine Moisneau and Alexandre Pasquieu, bring a wealth of experience and expertise to the table. They're really a dynamic duo.
Yeah, they seem to have a great team in place.
They do, and in fact, they're actively recruiting right now.
Really? That's interesting. What kind of roles are they looking to fill?
They're seeking talented individuals in a variety of areas, including software engineering, data science, and business development.
So if any of our listeners are passionate about AI and looking for a challenging and rewarding opportunity, Neuralk-AI might be a great place to explore.
It definitely sounds like a company at the forefront of a very exciting field.
It's inspiring to see a company like Neuralk-AI not only developing groundbreaking technology, but also fostering a culture of innovation and collaboration.
Their success is a testament to the fact that you can achieve remarkable things when you combine technical expertise with a strong vision and a commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible.
It also highlights how AI is evolving from being this kind of specialized field to becoming a powerful tool that can be applied across a wide range of industries.
It really is transforming the way businesses operate and make decisions.
And as Neuralk-AI is demonstrating, the key to unlocking this potential lies in understanding the unique characteristics of structured data and developing those specialized AI models that can effectively extract those meaningful insights from it.
It's a powerful example of how AI is being used to address real-world challenges and create new possibilities in so many sectors.
This deep dive into Neuralk-AI has been incredibly insightful and inspiring. It's a reminder that the future of AI isn't just about building ever more complex algorithms.
It's about finding innovative ways to apply this technology to solve those practical problems and unlock the hidden value within the vast amounts of data we generate every day.
Exactly. It's an exciting time to be following advancements in this field, and companies like Neuralk-AI are leading the charge.
They really are pioneers, paving the way for a more data-driven and intelligent world.
This has been a fascinating exploration of Neuralk-AI and the transformative potential of AI applied to structured data. I hope our listeners found this deep dive insightful and inspiring as well.
I think they did. And, it makes you wonder what other innovative AI companies are out there quietly revolutionizing their respective fields.
I was thinking the same thing. There's a whole ecosystem of startups and researchers pushing the boundaries of AI, exploring new applications, and developing novel approaches.
Neuralk-AI is just one example, but their success really highlights the growing importance of AI in shaping the future of business and technology.
And for those of us who aren't data scientists, it's encouraging to see that these advancements are making AI more accessible and understandable. Neuralk-AI's focus on simplifying data analysis and automating those complex tasks is a step towards democratizing the power of AI.
It's no longer a realm that's exclusive to experts. With intuitive tools and platforms emerging, even those without a technical background can leverage AI to gain insights from their data and make more informed decisions.
This deep dive into Neuralk-AI has definitely given me a lot to think about. It's clear that AI is rapidly evolving, and companies like Neuralk-AI are leading the charge in finding practical and impactful applications for this technology.
And what's particularly exciting is that we're only scratching the surface of what's possible. As AI continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative solutions emerge, transforming industries and reshaping the way we live and work.
It's a future filled with both challenges and opportunities. And it's companies like Neuralk-AI that are paving the way for a more data-driven and intelligent world.
So the next time you encounter a complex data set, remember the story of Neuralk-AI. There might be hidden insights waiting to be discovered, and the tools to unlock them are becoming increasingly accessible.
Thank you for joining us on Le Podcast de Philippe. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more deep dives into the world of cutting-edge technology and innovation. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.
In healthcare, you could apply Neuralk-AI's technology to analyze patient records.
Okay.
It could be really helpful, for maybe identifying potential health issues a little earlier
Yeah.
and even improving the accuracy of diagnoses.
That's really fascinating. It seems like there's this common thread, running through all these different applications.
Yeah.
Neuralk-AI is helping businesses across these different industries, to make better decisions
Yeah.
by uncovering these insights that otherwise might just get lost.
Right, exactly. Because they would be lost in the sea of data, right? I mean, if you
Oh,
think about all the data businesses have,
it's overwhelming.
it is. And what's really impactful here, I think, is that Neuralink AI is making these sophisticated AI tools, accessible to
Yeah.
businesses of all sizes, not just these big tech giants. Right. This democratization of AI, that's really a key part of their mission.
It's great to see that. And all of this, from a company that was founded just last year
I know, right?
in 2023. That's incredible. They must be attracting a lot of attention.
Oh, absolutely. I mean, they recently secured $4 million in funding.
Wow.
With some really notable investors, like Thomas Wolfe. He's the co-founder of Hugging Face.
Oh, yeah, I know Hugging Face.
Yeah, it's a leading platform, for natural language processing.
So that's a huge endorsement.
It really is.
It speaks volumes about the potential that people see.
Exactly. And, they're based at Station F in Paris. It's a very well-known startup hub.
Yeah.
So they're in the perfect environment to grow.
It sounds like they have everything they need. You
Yeah.
know? A great vision, cutting-edge technology, and they're in the right place to succeed.
They really do. And they have this dynamic duo leading the company, Antoine Wasno and Alexandra Pascu, the founders. They bring so much to the table in terms of experience and expertise.
It seems like a really strong team.
It is, and they're actually recruiting right now.
Oh, wow. Okay. What kinds of roles are they looking to fill?
They're looking for a lot of talented individuals in areas like software engineering,
Okay.
data science, and business development.
So for any of our listeners who are passionate about AI and looking for a challenge, Neuralk-AI sounds like a fantastic place to work.
It does,
Mm.
a company that's really at the forefront of this exciting field.
It's inspiring to see a company like Neuralk-AI. They're not just developing this groundbreaking technology,
Right.
but they're fostering this culture of innovation.
And collaboration.
Yeah. Their success really just highlights how much you can achieve when you combine that technical expertise with a strong vision.
And a commitment to, pushing those boundaries of what's possible.
It also highlights, I think, how AI is evolving from this, specialized field into a powerful tool that can be applied across all industries.
You got it. It's really transforming the way businesses operate and how they make decisions.
And as Neuralk-AI is showing us, the key to unlocking this potential is understanding those unique characteristics of structured data
Yeah.
and developing those specialized models that can extract those insights, the meaningful ones.
Exactly. And I think it's a powerful example, really, of how AI is being used to address real-world challenges and create new opportunities in a lot of sectors.
This deep dive into Neuralk-AI has been incredibly insightful and inspiring. It's a reminder that the future of AI isn't just about building these complex algorithms. It's about applying them to solve real problems.
Yeah, it is, to unlock the value that's hidden within the vast amounts of data that we generate every day.
It's an exciting time to be following advancements in this field, and companies like Neuralk-AI are really leading the charge.
They are. They're paving the way for a more data-driven and intelligent world. It's a really great example.
And, for those of us who aren't, data scientists,
Right.
it's really encouraging to see that these advancements, they're making AI more accessible, more understandable.
Yeah,
Neuralk-AI's focus on simplifying this data analysis,
right.
automating those complex tasks, it feels like a real step towards democratizing AI.
It really is. It's not, exclusive to experts anymore.
Right.
There are so many intuitive tools and platforms emerging now
Yeah.
that even those without a strong technical background,
Right.
can leverage AI, can get insights from their data.
To make better decisions.
Exactly.
This deep dive into Neuralk-AI is really, it's given me a lot to think
Me
about.
too.
It's clear that AI is changing so rapidly. It's evolving so quickly.
Yeah.
And companies like Neuralk-AI are really leading the charge.
They are. They're finding those practical and impactful applications for AI.
And what's exciting is that we're really just scratching the surface, of what's possible here.
Right, exactly. I mean, as AI continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative solutions emerge, right?
Oh, absolutely.
And I think it's going to transform industries, reshape the way we live and work.
It's a future filled with, both challenges and opportunities. But it's companies like Neuralk-AI that are paving the way for a more uh, data-driven, a more intelligent world.
That's a great way to put it.
So to wrap things up, the next time that you see a complex data set, remember the story of Neuralk-AI. There might be some hidden insights waiting to be discovered. And the tools to unlock them are becoming more and more accessible.
They are.
Thank you for joining us on Le Podcast de Philippe. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more deep dives into the world of cutting-edge technology and innovation. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.